currently checking into Disney's Port Orleans Riverside. We're headed to our royal room on the second floor. So here's our room, 9798. Oh my gosh. Look at this room. I love it. So this is the bathroom area with the vanity. Look how beautiful the sinks are. It's so pretty. The shower. There's the area leading into the bathroom and all the pictures of the Disney princesses. The bed. This is my favorite room I have ever stayed in before. It's so beautiful. The Port Orleans Royal Room. The dresser with the TV, the carpet. Table and chairs, the air conditioner. So here's our view when you walk out of the room. There are even fireworks above the bed. How beautiful is that? We have a little note from Tiana. It says, "Welcome all. We are so excited to have you stay with us. My friends and I have shared so many wonderful moments here that this has become a very special place in our hearts. As you make yourself at home, you'll discover some treasured mementos my friends have given me over the years. Enjoy making magical memories with your friends and family in my royal guest room. Your friend, Princess Tiana."